Okay, dito tayo ngayon sa Halong Bay having coffee. Itong room with a very nice view. Close up natin. Ayan na yung mga islands ng Halong Bay. Napakarami. Maybe 1,000 islands. Hindi mabilang. Yan ang well, that's the reason why people go to Halong is to visit all the different islands. Normally, nag-start ito mga tours nila, mga 8 in the morning. So we'll try to catch up afternoon boat tour. Okay, a little tour on our room. We just paid less than 2,000 pesos and yet we got a suite. Okay, ito yung balcony. And mukhang luma na, but it's still okay, doable. Ayan yung swimming pool. Imagine, you pay pennies and you get a good room. When I say pennies, we just paid less than $40. And because of the upgrade, binigyan kami ng napakagandang suite. Di bali na luma. So kagabi, naglakad kami doon. Yan, may nakalagay dyan, Foam Club. Mukhang ano yan mukhang gentleman's club, no? Yan, lakad namin yan. Tapos, bandar yan, merong bazaar. Tapos, lumakad pa kami after dinner. We ended up dyan sa may beach. So, beach lahat yan ang nasa harapan namin. Pero sabi ni Berna, mukhang fake sand Ito ang aming kapitbahay na buildings. Yes, mukhang maganda rin. Ang advantage dito is daming mga seafood restaurants. Yan ang kalye na dinadaanan namin. So yung kalye na yan, pag diniretso mo yan, aabot siya hanggang dun sa may bridge. Okay, so medyo hazy at hindi ka na makita yung bridge, pero merong malaking bridge connecting the islands. Kaya ang galing ng ginawa ng mga Vietnamese, talagang dinevelop itong Halong Bay. Dati wala naman masyadong development dito. Ayan, ang dami pa mga spaces na pwedeng i-develop. So kung mapapansin, ayan, Panay Islands, medyo hazy lang, pero Panay Islands yan, yan ang landmark or yan ang highlight ng Halong. Ang daming mga boat rides na pwede mong pagpilian. So pinaka the best, dito ka na mag-book muna sa mismong Halong instead of coming from Hanoi, para hindi ka masyadong pagod. So yan ang aming king size bed, yun ang toilet. At si Berna busy nagtatrabaho, nagbubook ng next tour. Yes. At ako naman ready for my breakfast. Alright, so isa pang look dito sa napakagandang view namin dito every morning. Ayun, may papakita ko. Yan, yung area na yan sa harapan, Panay seafood restaurants yan. Lalo na sa gabi, nako, super bright. Ayun pala, nakikita yung bridge. Talaga naman, ang ganda ng bridge yan sa gabi. At may Ferris wheel pa. Kitang-kita from our room dito sa may left side. At napansin ko kagabi, dami namin dinaanan na mga coffee shop overlooking the sea. Yun ang advantage pag maraming dagat. Daming developments. Ito, panay prutas binibigay. So, Berna, anong plano? What's the plan today? Wala ba tayong plano?
We're riding the sun wheel and the cable car.
Okay. Breakfast na tayo.